everybody to this broadcast. This is your boy Forex Strategy Factory talking. We're still gonna tell you about the update of the video we made last about the strategy and the signal we are looking at. So this is what we do every day on this channel, giving you analysis. So everything I want you to do for me now is to subscribe to this channel as you are seeing this video. Okay, this topic is Forex analysis January 10, 2023. So what we see on our own radar, we have made a video yesterday and we're just making an update of the EURUSD, exactly what we said yesterday. Yesterday we made mention that it is going to go down, and I said yes, it was not even ready. Okay, and you should get every tools that is going to tell you to sell it when it is ready. But what is happening now is that we still believe in what we say yesterday. This is going to go down, and now it is getting perfectly ready, and this should be like to pend our entry right under this neckline here. If we've done that, and then if it ever turn around this way, the way it's doing now, this red line is going to be the stop loss, and the final target as a profit is going to be this green line right here. This is for EURUSD. The down will hold. Yeah, it's going to go down. We are getting ready for EURUSD. It's going to go down. We are ready. Now, look at the MACD. The MACD, the histogram, they are going under the signal line. So definitely, we have something going down. If you look the RSI, above 70, going down. Okay? Going down below 70. So definitely, wow, we're going down. It rhymes with what the MACD is doing right now. And you see the price is above. It is at the top of your chart. So definitely we see down is playing right here. So we have penned our own order. We expect this line I'm shaking to be broken, and that will be a perfect entry, and this risk reward ratio is going to be 3 to 1. So thank you for listening to the EURUSD. Let's go to the next one on board, the USDJPY, USD Japanese yen. This seems to be my own favorite, So as you can see how it's been analyzed yesterday, January 9, and today is January 10. Okay, good. As I told you yesterday that I have already penned my own orders right here. Okay, but I understand it was not ready, but I know it's gonna go up. That's why I penned my order. As you can see, confidence. There's confidence in me talking and placing my own trades. Okay, if I do a fast entry and it go against me a little bit, it doesn't mean anything to me, because I know, yes, I can control my stop loss and control my trades until it turns around. But right now, see, the analysis of yesterday is we having that entry line right here, that when it get broken and a candlestick came to sit on it, that is your entry. On this green line here is your entry. You can see the USDJPY playing to go up any moment from now. So if this is the case, you can see that I have my own take profit right here, final take profit right here, the top of the chart, as you can see. And I do have my own stop loss. My entry is right here, and my stop loss line is going to be on this low, exactly where this price turn around. That is my final stop loss. and I believe that the USDJPY is going to play on very well. Good. If you take a look at the MACD, you will see it that all the histogram now, they are going above the red signal line. So definitely in a few moments from now, we will be bouncing up. You see your RSI coming from below 30 and it's now going above 30 and it's climbing up. And you see your price is on the low of the chart and it's ready to start bouncing up. So that is it for the USDJPY. If I have to draw a line for you, this is going to be our own take profit, and this is going to be our own stop loss level where the price turns around. Now you look at this risk reward ratio, it's about 3 to 1. Very nice, perfect entry. So definitely if we take a look at the next on board is the GBPJPY. GBPJPY. Where is it? Let's find it. Patience is the best thing in Forex, man. Patience and learning. You learn every day. If you don't learn every day, there's nothing you can do about Forex, man. You know. Now, the GBPJPY, like we analyzed yesterday on January 9, we said it's going to be going down, okay? But we said it's not ready, okay? So now that I'm looking at it, this is January 10, 2023, I can see it is perfectly ready, okay? Because it has created what we wanted to create, and then we're going to analyze it, how we're going to get in. Look. This is our entry expectation that if it breaks this line, then we come in to pick it up. But the point is you can use this line to pen your own sell, whatever, sell stop, I think. This line up here is what we analyzed as our stop loss yesterday, January 9, and today is January 10. We still maintain the same stop loss level where the price turns around. We put it on this pole right here. Boom. You see the pole? This is the pole, the current pole. Yesterday it was this high. Today it's this high. So we're going to put it on here. See? Ability to wait and analyze the market will give you the best reward ratio. Okay, now we want to talk about our own final take profit level, and we're going to do that right here. The low of the chart. The low of the chart is our final take profit level. And if I have to take a look at it, okay, the risk reward ratio here is 2 to 1, which is not bad. At least it's still better than losing your trades. It's ratio 2 to 1. Okay, if you look at the entry and the stop loss, and then the entry and the take profit, that's 2 to 1 ratio. So if you take a look at the MACD, you can see, and we have all the histogram gone below the MACD line. That's okay, right? It's a sign it will go down. And we have seen this RSI coming all the way from above 70 and is heading down. So there we see the price above, it is on the high of the chart, and then we are expecting it to break this our line and then go down and hit our take profit. That is that for the GBPJPY. Good. And then what next we have on the scene here is EURAUD. Yesterday, January 9, we analyzed the EURAUD and then the GBPAUD as having the same movement. So what we're going to do now is just to pick one of them to represent the two. So I'm going to pick EURAUD, and that's where this video is going to end up. So let's go and see EURAUD. This is it. So we talked yesterday that the EURAUD is gonna go up. Okay, yes, it's gonna go up. And then we said that this yellow line is our own entry, which is going to break it, and then it's going to go hit our take profit, which is this line here. If you follow that video of on the 9th of January that I said Forex analysis, January 9, 2023, you can see EURAUD, exactly what I have analyzed is what happened. It's about to hit the final take profit right here, and this is the stop loss. And I told you this risk reward ratio is ratio 3:1. And let us analyze, why did it go up and why did it play exactly what I said. This is the MACD histogram going up above the signal red, and then we have your own RSI coming from below the 30 and it's heading up. And at that moment we have your price is on the low of the chart. That is why we were expecting it to go up and then break a neckline, this yellow line, and then it goes to our own final take profit, and that is why it played. You see, we didn't jump into the market, but we analyzed the market and we wait for it to play exactly what we said. Now, let us go again, and I will give you a bonus analysis because this is GBPAUD. I don't want to talk much today, but let me end it up with GBPAUD. Where are you? GBPAUD. Where are you? GBPAUD. Now take a look at what happened on the GBPAUD. Exactly yesterday, 9th of January 2023, we analyze it exactly with EURAUD. They are going up. We put a yellow line that they're going to break this yellow line and then going to hit our take profit while we have our stop loss right here. And it has played exactly what we said. Nice. A lot of people will always think that there's no way you can know what is going to happen in the Forex market before it ever happened. But I believe that you have seen me many times, most especially this analysis I did on January 9, 2023, playing the way exactly I said it. It is not a guess. It is not coincidence. It is me, right, sitting behind the chart and analyzing it exactly what is going to happen for you. Okay? Before it ever happened, information. I see the information. Okay? Your success in Forex is your own ability to be able to foresee what is going to happen before it ever happened. While then you believe in your trade and pen your orders and wait and let it go and play exactly how you have planned it. This is where the concept comes to say, plan your trade and trade your plan. This is your boy Forex Strategy Factory signing off. Don't forget to take a look at the description under this video. You know, you will see everything that you need about your own tools that is going to tell you, at least if you are not able to analyze the market, I believe you should be able to get a tool that is going to tell you entry, how to follow the chart that I have analyzed. If I say the entry is a buy, how you go get a tool that is going to give you buy signal. Okay, that's everything you need. Check under the description of this video, you will see everything there. Okay, there's no need for you to think about your money when you have analysis that is here to help you. You understand? For me to be able to know all these things I'm analyzing for you, I never think about my money. I put my hand in my pocket. I got every little thing I can get. You understand? Yeah. So this is your boy. I'm gonna sign out now. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.